Adding USDT to your Phantom wallet is straightforward and involves transferring the token to your wallet on the Solana blockchain. Follow these steps. Open Phantom Wallet. Launch the Phantom Wallet browser extension or mobile app. Copy your Phantom Wallet address by clicking on it at the top of the interface. Confirm USDT support on Solana. Phantom Wallet supports the Solana version of USDT. Ensure you are sending USDT on the Solana blockchain. Purchase or transfer USDT. If you already hold USDT, go to the exchange or wallet where you have USDT stored. Choose Withdraw, select USDT, and paste your Phantom Wallet address. Ensure the withdrawal network is Solana. If buying USDT, purchase USDT on a Solana-compatible platform like Binance or FTX. Withdraw it to your Phantom Wallet address via the Solana network. Check Phantom Wallet. After confirming the transfer, the USDT will appear in your Phantom Wallet balance. If it doesn't, click Manage Token List in the wallet settings and search for USDT to enable its display.